Good morning, children. Previous class we discussed Helen Keller grammar topic, subject verb agreement. We left some part. We going to complete today. See page number 53. I told already they wish to go to the museum this Sunday. They wish. And plural subject, plural verb we have to use. Singular subject, singular verb, plural subject, plural verb we have to use. Both are agree. Subject and verb, plural verb and plural subject. Singular verb and singular subject must agree. Here in this page number 53 and 54, total 10 examples he has given. Please complete remaining 5. Now coming to page number 54, listening. Children, you have to do this task while I am reading this listening topic. While I am reading, you have to complete. You have to take which one is right answer. Listen the dialogues and identify the central idea. Central idea you have to identify. You have to tick. You have to do while I am reading the listening. It is testing your listening capacity. Testing your listening capacity. Those who listen my class properly, they can understand and they have to keep right answer. Already he had given A, B, C, D. Second one A, B, C, D. Options he had given. You have to tick right one. See children, are you ready to listen the listening task? See, listen carefully. Helen Keller. Sabnam, hi Achita, how are you? Achita, hello Sabnam, I am fine, how are you? What are you doing in the summer vacations? Sabnam, I am fine too. I think I would like to work with an organization that helps disabled people. Achita, I myself tried searching for such an organization in the internet. Sabnam, could you please let me know if you find something? Achita, definitely. I think we both should apply and work together. Sabnam, yes, we should. I do not like the way people in general look down upon disabled people. Achita, I know they always look at them with pity and disgust, means repulse or distaste. People, if anyone is seeing a handicapped person, they kept their face awkward. That means they don't like the handicapped person. Next, Sabna, you remember my cousin Mohit? I think I told you about him. He lost his vision in an accident. When he was 5, he is brilliant at playing tabla. He tells me more of the funniest jokes. Achita, oh, I should like to meet him very much. Sabni, I will take you with me soon. Achita, I am looking forward to that. I think if we interact with them, we will get to know more about their daily lives. It's nice to understand what they feel and to share some of the difficulties from both sides. Sabna, exactly. I think we can learn a lot from them. This is the listening. You have to take the central idea of the this conversation. Now coming to page number 55, same page, speaking skills. Speaking skills is very very important. Writing skills, listening skills, speaking skills, and reading skills. These four skills you have to develop. If you develop these four skills in order, LSR W, LSR LSRW. These four skills, if you develop these four skills, first you have to listen what others, what others are teaching or explaining or telling to you. First you have to listen. Next you have to speak. Next you have to read. Last you have to write, children. But we are doing it reverse. While teacher is explaining the lesson, or while anyone is explaining or telling something, first we will write. That is wrong. First we have to listen, then we have to speak, read and write. This is the process of LSRW. See, Helen's mother and Miss Civilian refused to give up on Helen's when everyone else thought that it was not possible to teach her. They had a goal and they gave their best to achieve it. Whatever we do, it is important to set goals. Whatever work, suppose we have to keep goals first. Yes, after completing by evening I will finish these all notes. I will finish these all reading part, writing part. I by heart this lesson, question and answers by evening. You have to keep goals, then only you can success in your life. Think of a goal for yourself. It could be anything like learning a new skill, making a new friend, or taking part in a group activity. Tell the class about it. Describe how do you want to do it. These are the questions you have to ask yourself. And how you plan to achieve your goal. The people you can ask for help. These things, these three questions, after completing, if at all you want to speak, these three questions will help you to speak in front of in your class. Now coming to writing task. Children, already I have finished this writing task. It is chance to you. Complete yourself and send through WhatsApp. I have finished. How many of you could complete? Please complete and send through WhatsApp. I will keep one photocopy in WhatsApp. First you have to do. Otherwise, if you can't, I will send. Now, pronunciation is very very important. There are some silent letters. Tsunami. There are some silent letters. We won't pronounce those words. We should not pronounce those words. Letters. Here, T we should not pronounce. Tsunami. Here, this is tsunami. But T is there. You should not pronounce. That is T tsunami. That is tsunami only. We have to pronounce this tsunami. T you should not pronounce. World, R you should not pronounce. Next, say wrong. 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 W you should not pronounce. There are certain words are there. We should not pronounce some letters in the words. See, in the story, Helen's parents realized that something is wrong with her. Notice the pronunciation of wrong. Wrong, wrong. Wrong. W you should not pronounce. Wrong. The W is silent in it. W is silent. Wrong. There are some words. In that words, there are some. There is one letter. Letter that letter will be silent. You should not pronounce that word. Say those words aloud. Do not pronounce them. Highlighted words. Highlighted words. Words which are in red color. I mean the letters which are in red color. You should not pronounce. Wrong, right, wrist, sword, sword. These are the words. In these words, W is silent. Letter W is silent in these four words. Now coming to page number 56, Christmas, 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 Christmas. Not pronunciation is Christmas, not Christmas. Christmas, not. T is silent. Christmas, Christmas. Often pronunciation T is silent, so you have to pronounce that is often. Often T is silent. C. Depot. T is silent. Kitchen. 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 We won't pronounce kitchen. 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 Letter T is silent in that. Cow. Cow. L is silent. Hog. L is silent. Bomb. L is silent. Could. L is silent. L we are not pronouncing. Next, read out the following words. Circle the words that have any of the above mentioned silent letters. See, T silent letter, L silent letter, W silent letter. If you find these silent letter, these words, underline or circle that word and pronounce. Answer, answer, answer. See, W is silent. Answer, answer is W is silent. Next, basket, basket. There is no silent letter which is mentioned in this grammar topic pronunciation. W, T, L not there in that. Wrinkle, wrinkle, W is silent. Wood, L is silent. Catch, catch, T is silent. Ballot, see, this pronunciation once you have to observe. Ballet, ballet, ballet. See, Lei, ballet. Pronunciation T is silent. Sword, SW sword. Rap, W is silent. Skill, skill. L is not silent in that. Rewrite, W is silent. List, list. There is no silent letter. Next, Psalm. P is silent letter, L is silent letter. As he mentioned here, L, T, W silent. He asked us to circle. L is silent here. See here, Sir. This is pull apart. This pronunciation is Sir, but here pull apart. T is silent. Tilt, tilt, tilt. There is no silent word letter. Rough. See, in this you see W is silent letter. W is silent letter. Well, last one, W is silent letter. See here in this activity, last one activity, find out more information about Helen Keller. You can also read up on how the brain script, a system of writing used by blind people, um, works, you can take help from an adult and begin your search in the internet. www, this is internet website already we had given. You see this, you see, and once you observe this. See children, in this subject and verb agreement, it is very essential and very important. See here, each person is taking his meal, here each person, we are talking about every person, you should use each person is taking his meal, each person, you should not count whole, you have to treat each and every person is, you have to write here, each person is, you have to write each person, or you should not write here. Each and every point is important, each and every point is important for your in exams, or if teachers while they explain, they say each and every point is important. Next, each and every, after you have to use singular form, subject verb agreement, it is very, both these are agrees, both is, each and every, after you have to use is. Here one more subject verb agreement is there. Time, money and distance. Time, money and distance. Time, money and distance. Time, money and distance. Whenever you use these three, you should use singular. See, 10 rupees. 10 rupees is enough. You should not say 10 rupees are enough. 10 rupees are enough, that is wrong. Whenever you use money, distance and time, you should not use plural form. You have to use only singular form. 10 rupees is enough. The sir, 10 is plural form. Why can't we use here plural verb? Here we are talking about 10 rupees. We have to consider that is single. We have to consider that is single. 1. We have to consider that is 1. We have to say, we have to write is. 10 rupees is enough. Next, 3 kilos of oil is sufficient. 3 kilos, 1 kilo, 3 kilos, 3 kilos, 2 kilos, 3 kilos. Oil is enough. Money, distance and time. These we have to use. Is. Next, 3 kilos of oil is sufficient. Measurement. If at all you want to measure 3 kilos of rice, 3 kilos of sugar is enough. You have to say 5 kilometers is too long to walk. 5 kilometers is too long to walk. 5 kilometers. Here 5 is plural. Sir, we have to use here R. No, that is wrong opinion. See, 5 kilometers is too long to walk. Time, money and distance. You have to use only is. Singular helping verb, we have to use singular verb. We have to use, if at all you want to use verb here. See, there are some more words subject verb agreement we can call concord. Subject verb agreement we can call concord. These are, see here, I did not write the exam. I after you have to use did. These are in which tense? These are in past tense. These are in past tense, simple past tense. Past tense. I did not write the exam. Exam conducted to the child, but the child did not write. I did not. I after subject after you have to use did. Did is V2 form. V2 forms are past tense. Here they subject you have to use here V2 form. Here she subject did is V2 form. You have to use I, we, you, they, he, she, it. After you have to use V2 form. No doubt you can use V2 form. Singular verb, singular subject and singular verb we can use. I after did, they after did, and she after you can use did. She did not read here. You have to see very carefully. Here most of the people will write she did not wrote the exam. She did not wrote the exam. Many people will write, that is wrong. Here V2 form you have used, so you should not use again here V2 form. Here you have to use V1 form. See, they did not. They did not watch. They did not watch IPL. They did not watch IPL. That is, here watch V1 form you have to use here. Next, here also pronunciation is V1. Read only, not read. She did not read. She did not read. She did not read the books. She did not read the books. She always playing and watching the TV, playing games in the mobile. That's it. She did not read the books. See after you can use did. At the same time, present tense, there are some rules. There are some rules you have to follow those rules. Subject and verb agreement we can call concord. Subject and verb agreement we can call concord. Here in simple past we can use, simple present we can use V1 or V5 form. V1 or V5 form. Sir, what is V1 and what is V5? Here suppose you take go. Go is V1 form. Go is V1 form. Went is V2 form. Gone is V3 form. Going is V4 form. Goes is V5 form. These two forms you have to use in simple present tense. Simple present tense. Sir, how can we use this do and does? Not only do and does. Read. Suppose sing. Sings. Next, walk. Walks. Where you have to use V1 form, where you have to use V5 form, I will tell you now. See children, I read books every day. I read books every day. See, I after read. Every day is clue word, simple present tense clue word. Every day, every week, always, daily. These are all clue words for simple present tense. I read books every day. I after you have to use here V1 form. Both agrees. Next, you 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 walk you walk mm, you walk towards market. Otherwise, they walk towards market. They walk towards park. Next, she sings. She sings songs. She sings songs regularly. Regularly. She sings songs regularly. She sings songs. Here, ES form. S is added here. He, she, it. After we have to use V5 form. V5 form in the sense S or ES adds to the main verb. S or ES add to the main verb. Next, I, we, you, they. I, we, you, they. V1 form. V1 form you have to add. See, I go to school or you run very fast. You run very fast. They play cricket. You play cricket. You can use V1 form after these personal pronouns. He, she, it after V5 form we have to use. See children, concord subject verb agreement is must and should you have to use. So by completing this Helen Keller, there are two poems and 2 lessons for FA2 exams. FA2 exams maybe 16th onwards you should be perfect these 2 lessons and 2 lessons and 2 poems. You have to be very thorough and read question and answers and textbook thoroughly. Worksheets also finish as early as possible. Extra worksheets also you have to finish. Next, these every lessons notes I will keep. You have to complete the notes after watching the video. After watching the video, you have to open your books and complete your notes daily. Don't neglect, don't postpone your works and homework. You have to complete every day. Whatever, suppose if I give today work, you have to complete today. You should not postpone to tomorrow. Children, complete notes as early as possible. After completing the notes, you have to send through WhatsApp. After completing the exam, don't keep before your if you keep before your WhatsApp message or WhatsApp images will be gone somewhere, will be deleted by any teacher. If the memory is full, we will delete. So don't send very early before exams. You send later. Okay na? Bye children. We will meet you in next class. Thank you.